So I have 45 years experience to get dirty fingers and all the problems you have with ink and powder and all these things. What I will tell you about here is I'm the person that are coordinating the AMS developments with KBA. And KBA have shown us a big trust based on many years of cooperation. We made on Drupa, last Drupa, there was a nice meeting with some high engineers from KBA drinking some beers in Ürige, that everybody know, in Düsseldorf. And the idea was LED must be the future. So 6 months later, we delivered the first system to KBA in 2013 in January. And this time AMS was very powerful, 9 watt per centimeter. Today we deliver 25. Let's say everything about the LED development, how fast the technique is moving. So I will just show you some KBA slides here in short form, and also what we have with the packaging industry. Here you see the same map that Mr. Metcalf showed you. We have today 250 installations. In my area, where I'm using mainly Europe and Africa and Middle East, at the moment we are installing 2 systems a week on sheet-fed presses. It's exploding. Every week before Christmas we sold 19 systems in a month. So it says everything what's happening now. Here, this is another similar slide what you showed us. You see here the UV spectrum, and you can see on the upper scale there is a lot of lost energy. Everything you have on the left hand side is just heat. Barrier UV, it's a standard UV system. HUV, some competitors, high reactive technologies, Komori, Eco UV, whatever it's called, it's a little bit better. But LED is full knockout or no knockout. And this is a lot of the discussion in the industries that have been for a long time that LED have a weakness with only one peak. This is the strongest part of the LED. The same, you are not putting diesel on a gasoline car. So LED, you make your inks correct, and you have 10 to 12 times stronger cure because you have a real knockout. Yes. Yeah, this is just comparison between standard UV systems. I'll just jump over it. Here you see what we have done with KBA on new presses, and it's all very high speed presses. The demanding is 18,000 in perfecting. That means you swap the sheet in 0.2 seconds. So you have 0.2 to hit the light on the surface and have to be cured before you start moving and have contact to the other cylinders. We have done several machines with a coder, and the samples here. I'm available for discussing the samples because every printed sheet has not a special story, but it's basically done with one lamp to full speed. That means one dryer bring you coatings and 450% of ink covers as guaranteed cure in full speed. Now we come to the packaging presses. And the story of the packaging, we as AMS have delayed the process or the announcement that LED is available for packaging, because there were no ink makers that were so fast that we was. Because in packaging you need low migration ink. Because there's no reason to do a packaging without low migration. We have food contacts and other things. But some of the biggest ink players have now low migration inks. The last samples you have here is printed last Thursday in Germany. All with low migration inks. So the big players, and that means LED is now available for packaging. And it's such a big improvement for the packaging industry, because today you have maybe 4 to 5 dryers in your press. Now you can do it with one for opaque white, one for the colors. Everything done. No waiting time, and especially a little bit older presses. You have no waiting time by washing. LED instant on off, This is the biggest positive thing in your ROI for the packaging, because you're not losing 10-15 minutes an hour just waiting. LED on, off. So you can operate the press as a conventional press. And here below you see double coatings. It's also to hammer out. Drip off coatings is available. All these surface treatments you're used to have in the packaging is available as latest Drupa worldwide. The big ink players have it already, and you see some samples down here. And also there are some names. We are not selling inks, but we have sometimes mentioned some inks. Flint Inks is our main partner for Europe. INX Takata is our main partner for this part of the world. And every Pantone color is available. It's not anymore that it's some exotic thing, because UV inks and LED inks are not so big difference. There have been from the ink players tried to tell you there was a new critical thing, but it's only the photo intakes that is different. The polymers and the monomers is the same. It's just the reaction. Blankets is a very important thing that everybody knows. They're printing UV. That's a critical thing by the ink transfer. Coatings, yeah, it's now available all over. Here you see some other presses. The same, some statements from German printers and UK printers. But LED is in short form here, no powder, high print quality, and it's for you can imagine, if you have lack of skilled printers, LED will bring you a big difference, because to print on cold stock today, the most critical thing is to get the wet sheet out to the pile without marking. If you have UV light on it, the sheet is dry. And in some markets, we see there's the biggest benefit for ROI, that you have no smearing, such things. Ozone, not an issue. No coatings, low energy. You can retrofit it to everything. There was a KPA to some small form here. But what I also would like to mention, what we are doing with AMS here, the furniture you're sitting with is UV coated. The biggest player in the world, IKEA, has just announced that from 2017 you're not allowed, they will not sell any products anymore made with mercury lamps. So you can have political reactions, but now there's a big chain of furniture go out to the market, say 2017, IKEA's vision not to have any mercury in their printing lines. And I would say, I was last week in Poland. I've never seen such a big factory before. They have coating lines of 112 meter long. And there are 24 UV dryers. So for LED manufacturer, it's a good opportunity. Another thing we can announce that we have just sold to Italian printer, only on quality. We was doing a print test for Tate Gallery, very high quality. So we will install, announced to be number 4th best printer in the world, a company called Conti Tipo Color in Firenze, Italy. He has spent 6 months testing print quality, and then we will install it at Heidelberg in 2 months' time. So all these things is now moving, better quality, get standard. LED or UV printing is a new level of printing of quality. And the same you see, I'm very surprised to see the high quality you have on newsprint. It's changed. LED bring you brilliant color on paper. So I think that was for my things here. Just to, yeah, and if you have any technical questions here, I'm the person to discuss it with, because I'm driving in AMS all these print developments and pushing the ink makers. Okay.
to give a token of appreciation to Mr. Carsten Balago in the form of memento. Please give a round of applause to Mr. Carsten Balago.